Pull up somewhere safe on the right. Don't go too slow yet, make sure you straighten up, keep moving. Use your mirror. Straight the better. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Right. Reverse back to car length. Now you're in a parking zone. So look at in the little mirror, you can see the line as well. You can't go over that, so you can use that to help you as well. Where must you check it 3-4 times? Yeah. Well, what's just gone past you? Carry on. It's starting to pull out into it. So steer a little bit to the right. That's it. Go back, steer a little bit more to the right. And then straighten your steering wheel. Keep going back. Okay. Hey. Straighten up, straighten the steering wheel. And stop. Handbrake neutral. When the car moves, to correct it, stay the opposite way. When you're reversing and the car moves out of line, yeah, so if it goes closer to the right, stay to the left. If it goes to the right, stay to the left. But then remember to straighten it up as well. Yeah? Right, move off when it's safe. You should have taken your signal off there to not mislead anyone. Right, is it clear now? Off we go. I'll put the handbrake down for you. Don't you trouble yourself. And off we go.